What a beautiful morning again. I was a few days here. You guys might have noticed a bungee rope hanging out, the friction plate of the steering column that I think weared out or came loose. So I basically now have to detach the whole bottom tail of it and figure out how this friction plate is actually internally connected. For now it works with just a bungee rope. If I keep it like that, sooner or later it will touch my gasoline tube. So motor needs to come off and I'm heading out back to Amsterdam city, to my harbor. I hope I can use the workplace and disassemble the motor. And of course I show you guys. So we leave this lovely lake. Even before the motor gets in temperature, we have to cross the busy Amsterdam Rhine channel. You really need to pay attention here. These big ships sail so fast. Oh, look, a butterfly. And of course, when I have to return to the city in such beautiful weather, well, instead of sailing straight to my harbor, I'll make an extra long tour through the city. In the end, I'll be working on my motor, so I might get stuck in the harbor for a while. I said it before, I'm so grateful to be able to live this life. I just love to maneuver between all the boats in the busy canals. There is so much to see. And this is one of my favorites, the Red Light District, one of the older parts of the city. It even has an old sea lock. Can you imagine the sea was touching Amsterdam city center? Alright, so guys, a little bit delay today. I was fishing with the boys. The great catch. And now, the reason why I came in. So, the motor. It's completely loose. One thing I forgot yesterday when I shut it off was to let it dry out. So the carburetors are now still full with gasoline. I would like to remove the gasoline out of the motor. So that's what I do. I will start running it without the hose connected to it, and that way slowly it will use the gasoline that's left in it. Not really needed for this, but that way I won't have a smell of gasoline while I'm tilting it over and working on the motor. Alright, this is my tension rope. I'm gonna disconnect it. As I said in one of my previous episodes, I use this rope to give some tension on the motor, pulling this motor mount up a little bit, and that way the motor will lose its vibrations in this rope. By doing so, I will have like less vibrations in the boat itself. Lock it. Always lock everything. Okay. The fun part. I definitely don't want to drop this motor in the waters. That's why I always attach the security line. Okay. Wow. Yes. Haha. Already was able to check the plans. If I'm right, it should come off. Just these 6 knots, but I'm unsure about this mechanism. Well, I guess just to dive into it. Oh shit. Nah. Okay guys, do you see it? And as usually,
Die moet je eerst
the
inspuiten.
best helpsman stand on the shore.
Nee, die moet je eerst goed inspuiten.
Ja.
Nee,
Mogelijk als
je
hij
moet
zo-
eerst kijken of je het eruit krijgt.
Ja.
Nee, die moet je even allemaal op al die
Ja.
dingen spuiten. Nee, het is eigenlijk aluminium, omdat er al die corrosies zitten tussen.
Volgens mij is dit gietijzer, of niet?
Maar je hebt niet de verkeerde kant op gedraaid.
Nee.
Nee, in het verleden heb ik bij mijn Yamaha dealer...
Nee.
Nee, sorry, ik dacht dat je dit hele stuk...
Nee.
Want ik denk, dan kan je beter...
Ja.
Nee, oké. Dan heb ik,
Nee,
dan heb
het
ik
is-
niks gedaan.
Okay, use this. Oh. Going nuts. You see, second one broke off. And I need to replace all these nuts. This is kind of information I got. As you can see, this should come off. It's here stuck basically, the screw. There's no screw thread in this piece. There's only screw thread in the bottom below. So kind of need to find a way to get this detached. And in the bigger part of things, I don't like it because now I have to find the correct screws again and find the right dealer who has these screws. Will be some cycling around later. Oh, and it's definitely a showstopper with these broken screws. So I'm kind of stuck in the harbor for a few days now. Yeah. Okay, slowly getting loose. It's hard. It's hard. I don't want to break anything. But I'm so grateful for this workshop. Up to last year, I had to do everything of these kind of things on a small boat. I'm so grateful I've got this place. This is the situation. I'm now pretty stuck. So I basically think I'm now gonna wait. Every now and then I'm gonna pause again, let some drip through, and hopefully it slowly comes loose. Don't really know what else to do. But in the meantime, enough other jobs. Anyway, we got jobs enough. Our next job. As you can see, it's here totally starting to rotten. I'm already a little bit late. It's still pretty dry. I want to quickly sand this. Alright, there we go. Alright, this can dry in the sun. Use some water on it. Looks clean now. Most dirty spots are out of it. And I think I deserved a coffee. Haha, look at me. Like, I look again like I was sanding. Coffee. Alright, I was basically waiting for my motor to get the screws loose. Let's check these. Okay, I could slowly create a gap already. Same on the other side. Got here a gap now, so but yeah, still a lot to go. Small job. All day busy with just some sanding, getting this off. Good days, bad days. The highest highs, the lowest lows. Well, it's starting to look really nice again. I'm gonna sand it a little bit again. We'll add many more layers after that. Well, now I'm varnishing anyway. I'm gonna do this one too. As you can see, I'm again using the right tool for the right things. This is specially developed to put somewhere between. And look, then I can put this stick and then you use the hammer. Oh my, someone is soon gonna kill me. I should not do this. Oops. Yes. Look, this is why I did want to get it out. There's an old layer of varnish. I want to remove that and clean it again so it won't start to rotten inside. So handy, this stuff. I like this place. Does look like a new one, except these spots kind of, but good enough now. I'm gonna varnish it and then back to the motor. I'm now opening the grooves with this brush. As you can see, I'm not sure, can you see it? There's some small grooves, and I'm hoping basically that the varnish can go a little bit deeper with that, and also I can remove the excess dust that's still in it. It all takes so long, so much longer than you expect, but we love it. Boats. Well, I think that's working out very well. Now let it dry, and I'm pretty happy with it. So while the paint is drying, we can go back to our motor issue, the broken bolts. Yesterday I could all the time, I passed here, spraying always like this. And it seems like now it's leaking through. Could push it up a little bit in the evening yesterday, but it was still stuck. Let's try again while outside the wood is drying, the varnish, to fix this motor, because I want to leave the harbor again. Like, I'm not a harbor boy. Yes. Woohoo! Because if you can see here, I already damaged very little bit. You guys with any idea how to fix this in a decent way, if something happens, just let me know something in the comments. Of course, if it's completely stuck, you have to drill it, but I won't like to drill it because I will have to drill then the housing in a bigger size. I will have to tap in new screw threads in the bottom, and I need to find new screws. It's all way too complicated for me. Well, I can do it actually, but it's just too much work. Okay, here we go. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, God. Yes, yes, there we go. And as expected, the friction thing was loose. So the rubber of the friction plate actually came loose. So maybe I even don't need a new friction plate like this. And now clean it, eh? And now I need to remove these half screws, kind of. I hope to do that with a wrench or something. I can already disconnect the broken friction plate. Actually not broken at all. And the good thing is, we got this out. I want to have grip on these. Haha. Guys, it broke off. Yes. Yes, this bastard is out. I see, guys, completely corroded. I really hope this doesn't break off. This would be so bad. Oh. Can you see it? Getting shorter with the moment. Found here a corner. Now trying to take it loose. I give up. I give up. I'm gonna try it like this now. Gonna drill it out with a small drill. Let this work. Please, please. Well, safety first, right? You're so busy in your head with trying to fix things that you just forget about safety. What a stupid rookie mistake. Glasses? Good? You like it? Yeah. Alrighty, number one. Ah. Don't have much other choice at the moment. Or I need to buy a new drill set. Woohoo! So this is what we now got. Well, I'm doing so much effort because I really want to save the thread inside. So I try to align it as good as possible. And yeah guys, it's also the first time in my life I'm doing this. But that's with boats. Everything is the first time. So it's now nicely drilled out. However, I missed it a little bit here. This is still part of the old screw. So I would say, well, coffee time, of course. Work on my coffee addiction. I need to make a new thread. This is so many years ago that I used this tool. But let's hope. I'm kind of afraid that the little piece that's still left of the screw, that it might come off kind of. Then I don't have enough space to put a new thread. Then I need to drill it a little bit bigger. Let's see. Okay, here we go. If I remember it right, we dig into it now, and then we do one back to break the loose material, and then we go back. I hope this will work. Ooh-ha. What do you think? Yes, 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 I'm happy. I also quickly gonna clean out these holes. Alright, found some new energy. Time to get this together again. I fixed the original problem. The original problem was that this was completely stuck in the wrong place. Yep, put things back together. If I remember it right, suddenly it fits. This is how they came out. I actually would like to renew the screws, but today I called the Yamaha dealer and they have like only one left in stock. So I have to find another solution. In the meantime, I can already do an oil change. Because of course now I'm pretty stuck here in the harbor. I can't go anywhere. In the meantime, yeah, I'm finishing the varnishing. But I definitely want to go out again. Like, it's summertime, boating time. This stands like that. You know what it means. It means it still works. So okay, now it's the moment to find the screws. The right screws to put in here. Then the oil change. And I'm ready to go again. I need to find a method to get the motor standing now. The motor is standing here, very convenient. It's a good moment to start an oil change. What I always do is I use a little pump, just pump it out of the oil hole. Look, dirty oil, definitely needs a change. I got a clear bottle. I use that. That way I can see quality of the oil that comes out. I can see if there is maybe even some metal inside. You can check it with a magnet and give me some feedback of the state of the motor. Oh, I didn't empty that bottle. I know the guy who drank this bottle is watching this video. Oh my god. It smells like wine. Can be much easier, right? Doesn't look very bad. The spark plug is within specification. Alright, hoo-ha! Look what I found. New bolts. However, this one is original. This is a new one. I bought some RVS ones. They're just a little bit too big. So I brought my saw. We're gonna make them the correct length now. I bought like 6 of these, so I can replace all of them. Next problem. I need this. My motor is now standing on it. Oh. You solve one thing and another small thing pops up. Okay, this is the original. The shiny is a brand new one. So now I have to cut some piece off. There is a small trick for this. I use 2 bolts on it. What I do is, and then I will just cut here. I'm talking to the camera.
YouTube tutorial how to ruin a perfectly good outboard motor.
Exactly. You will make it in my YouTube episode this time if you say things like that. Okay. 6 more to go. Okay. Low quality. Last saw blade left, so statistics basically tell me I did 2 screws. This is my 3rd screw. I need 6 screws. I won't make it with my last blade. Again, this boat job will get delayed. I need coffee. Hey, look at the description below. I got an Amazon list like buy me stuff. I don't have that list. Oops. No, serious. This won't work, I guess. There's just no teeth on it. This is always my struggle when working on boats. You always lack something. After going through the whole boat, I found these. Okay, looking again in the boat, God knows what I will find. I found other possibility. Hot, hot. Woohoo! Finally, 6 new screws. So the result is now 6 new stainless steel bolts. I'm happy and exhausted. Found some old floor. I think it's perfect. Create some extra computer space over here, on top of here, between here and there, behind my toilet. Just trying to be creative. Such a shame that people just throw it away, like a whole floor like this. 100 of these panels, just of this good material, just a waste. I won't waste it. A circular saw would be way better, but I don't have a circular saw. Here it is, my new panel. Let's see if it fits. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Toilet goes there. Oh, nice. Now I can put my computer and everything there. This would be actually a good mouse pad too. If I got some extra material left, I will make a mouse pad from that material, because the mouse is actually working very well. I only got this piece left, so I think I'm gonna make a mouse mat from it. Yeah, it's nice because I can put it on the cushions, I put my mouse on it. If I remove the sharp edges a little bit, it might work out very well. That's it. We got a nice new mouse pad and it suits my boat. So the mouse pad for the keyboard and the computer there. It all fits in this tiny boat. So, almost done with the coffee. And guys, look there. We got blue clear skies appearing. So I think once the coffee is finished, it's time for me finally to move out again. Like, I was stuck here like almost 2 weeks, all the time rain and everything, other things to do in the city, a lot of locked up in this small boat, you know. And now it's time to move out. Cheers guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next one.